Imagine landing on a planet where 1 hour for you equals thousands of years for the rest of the universe. You could outlive entire civilizations while remaining trapped in an endless cycle of distortion. In 1915, Albert Einstein redefined our understanding of gravity. It is not just a force pulling objects together, it is the physical warping of space-time itself. Gravity stretches time. The closer you are to a massive object, the slower time moves relative to an observer far away. Your clock on this planet would tick slower than a clock in deep space. This isn't a malfunction of instruments, it is the fundamental nature of time as a physical dimension that stretches when warped by mass. On this planet, time feels ordinary to you, but looking out at the sky, you witness the time debt. This isn't just theory. Your phone's GPS relies on our understanding of relativity. Because gravity is weaker in orbit, satellite clocks tick faster than yours on Earth. Step onto the surface and look up. The abyss is not a void. Because of the supermassive black hole's gravity, the sky becomes a kaleidoscopic ring of trapped light. Distant stars are lensed and smeared into a swirling neon halo, pulse beating with the accumulated light of eons. This is gravitational lensing on an infinite scale. Every photon that escapes the accretion disk is warped, turning the sky into a surreal mirror of the cosmos where the past and future appear to blur. Even if you could survive the extreme time dilation, a much darker fate awaits. As you drift toward the event horizon, you encounter the spaghettification threshold. This is caused by tidal forces. Because gravity follows an inverse square law, it pulls exponentially harder on the side of your ship closest to the black hole than on the side facing away. Your feet would experience a gravitational pull far stronger than your head. Matter is stretched into a thin stream of atoms. It is the absolute, lethal limit of the abyss. There is no turning back once you cross this point. Physics itself dictates that your form cannot remain intact. After spending what feels like hours on the surface, the true nightmare begins. The realization that you are not just a visitor, but a permanent captive of gravity's deepest well. To break free, your vessel would need to reach near light speed. The kinetic energy required is mathematically prohibitive, rendering escape a pipe dream. The gravity of the black hole is an insurmountable anchor. Your fate is sealed by the laws of physics, bound to the horizon forever. But here lies the cruelest truth of the abyss. If you ever found a way to escape, you would not be returning to the home you left. While you spent mere hours in the grip of this gravity, thousands, perhaps millions of years have passed in the universe outside. Your civilizations, your achievements, the very stars you recognized all turn to dust. You are a ghost, a traveler from an ancient past. The next mystery is even more terrifying.